In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to make money with Clickbank in 2018. Literally how you can make money right after you watch this video. I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys the fastest method that I believe to be able to generate your first commission on Clickbank, right? This is the fastest and the cheapest method that I know of, right? So let's get right into it. Now, first and foremost, before I do, you're going to need a template to actually move forward. It's called the copy paste profit funnel. You can go to the copypasteprofitfunnel.com, or you can click the first link in the description to get access to this funnel, because we're going to need a funnel to be able to drive traffic, collect leads, and so on, right? So first off, before we go ahead and get into that, we need to find an offer. For this example, guys, first and foremost, you need to pick categories, and the categories that do the best are health, wealth, and romance, right? So for this example, we will use health, which is basically within the health and fitness or the wellness, right? So I'm not going to do the due diligence and figure out what's a good offer, what's not. I'm simply just going to promote what's at the top. But I'd highly advise you to do your research, see if it's actually a credible offer, to look at like the back end upsells. You can potentially see the potential that you can actually earn, etc., etc., right? But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and press promote, right? So they pay out 75% commissions. If you want to look at what the actual offer looks like, this is what the sales page looks like. But as stated before, I wouldn't promote just the first offer that I see. They usually have a lot of competition. I'd search and find a good offer, right? Next is you want to go ahead and actually create your link, right? Now, once you create your link, the next step is simply, where are we? The next step is connecting it to your sales funnel, right? So an example of a sales funnel is right here. Once you click the first link in the description and get access to the template, you can literally model, right? If you notice, if we press this right here, I simply just, this super simple morning habit accidentally melted off 84 pounds of fat. I simply just swipe the copy and put it on the sales funnel, right? So you can do the same thing with the sales funnel template that I'm giving you guys down below, right? And then add your own things right here. Then we're going to save it. And then you guys want to integrate this with something like Aweber to actually capture leads and to set up an email follow-up series. If you guys want to know where to actually find emails, you guys can literally browse down these weight loss or any niche. You usually go to the affiliate pages and they'll actually give you guys free emails. So you can literally kind of like customize these emails, set up a follow-up series. That's not what this video is about, but the fortunes in the follow-up. So here's the simple thing right here, right? Traffic. We once you guys have the sales funnel set up, you guys are ready to do the email marketing, or excuse me, you have the email marketing set up as well. The next step is having your actual sales page connected, right? Now, why do we want to actually do this right here? Because we're going to simply capture these leads. The people who don't buy up front, we're going to go ahead and redirect these. We're going to redirect them back to this page with my emails, right? Back to this affiliate offer sales page, which is basically this link right here, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the link that they just gave me. We're going to go to general on the sales funnel once you guys have it created, and then we're just going to go ahead and save it. We're not going to save it as a template. We're just going to save it. And if you want to preview, this is where we're going to be sending people to, right? And then let's just say Bill Brown 23, yes, get instant access. Boom, we captured the lead. They're automatically on our email list. We're going to do email marketing on autopilot with emails that we didn't create. And then now here's the actual sales presentation, right? All that stuff is done for you. Now, the magic is in the last step, which is the traffic. And this is why this is the fastest method, guys, because it's cheap and it's a fast method, right? Now, it's not the highest quality traffic, but basically what traffic is, guys, is getting visitors to your sales funnel to capture those leads, to get them to your sales presentation created by Clickbank, called a VSL, video sales letter, and then to be able to follow up with those leads, right? So we need traffic. This is the most important part. Now, what's fast and what is cheap, right? Because if you're a beginner, you want something that's quick. You don't want to get into the complicated stuff just yet, like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google AdWords. What is fast, right? And guys, the fastest thing is called influencer advertising, right? Influencer marketing. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and cover with you guys how to do influencer marketing with this, right? Now, guys, first and foremost, where can you do influencer marketing? Let's break this down. Where? I'm not even going to break down every single one. All social media platforms. Media platforms. Now, let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. Make that a little bit smaller. So guys, all social media platforms, right? Just to show you guys a few. Here's Instagram. Here is Facebook. I actually can't log into Facebook right now, so we're not going to do that. YouTube. There's influencers on YouTube. There's influencers on Snapchat. There's influencers on all of these platforms. Pinterest. Like the list goes on, guys. So with Facebook, you reach out to people who have big fan pages. With Instagram, you'd reach, or excuse me, with YouTube, you'd reach out to people who have big YouTube accounts, right? And you'd ask for them to put the link in the description. An example, I'm a YouTube influencer. I would say I'm a macro influencer, or even maybe micro. So my channel, we're gonna switch accounts. I currently have 15,000 subscribers, right? So it's pretty highly targeted traffic, right? But basically, and I guarantee, guys, do not reach out to me because I will not promote your stuff. I promote my own stuff. I'm a marketer. What do you think, right? So an example, guys, 2 days ago, I created a video, 1K views, right? You leverage somebody who has a following. You reach out to them in your specific niche. Let's just say weight loss. So weight loss. This person is she an influencer? Katie Horan. Katie Horn has 154,000 subscribers, so she's not too big. She doesn't have millions, but she has a lot of content around weight loss, right? So I can reach out to her and I can find some of her best videos, and she's consistently uploading. So you can literally do like a paid partnership, asking her to drop your link in all of her videos, right? She does a video a week, is what it looks like. So she's a YouTube influencer, right? Facebook, people with large Facebook fan pages, people who have weight loss ones. Now, guys, I didn't go that depth into Instagram, but guys, Instagram influencers. So like weight loss routines, they're a little bit too big. They're going to be expensive, but I'd reach out to somebody who has like 100,000 followers, right? You do your due diligence. The way you find these people is you simply, in all these platforms, you type in your keyword. So weight loss is my keyword, right? So weight loss transformations. Here, I literally just typed in the keyword and I found one, right? So here's one. And then an example, like I just did for, I just typed in weight loss and I found Katie Horan, right? So obviously, if I'm trying to get people to my sales funnel, which is weight loss preview, right? Their audience is going to be congruent with this, right? Their audience obviously is trying to lose weight. So if they come across a capture page that says this super simple morning habit accidentally melted off 84 pounds of fat, they're going to be like, fuck yeah, let me put in my email. Let me get access to this. Then they're going to go ahead and get access to the next page, which is going to be your actual sales presentation created by Clickbank, right? So you have that lead. So not only are you building an email list of highly targeted traffic, because people are literally following these people for their advice of losing weight, just like you're following me, learning how to make money online, right? It's the same concept, right? You're my target audience. Their target audience is people who are trying to lose weight. So if you have a product that can help people get that specific thing that solve that problem, which is weight loss, and guys, this works for all niches, not just weight loss. Weight loss is just the example, right? I can literally type in keywords for making money online, business, romance, all that extra stuff, right? But the objective, guys, is finding people who have large followings and they have a consistent audience following them. An example on Instagram, it doesn't matter what platform, but then once you actually find one of these people, the next step is actually reaching out to them, negotiating some advertising prices, right? Now, why is this so awesome? Because guys, it's very simple. All you do is reach out to the influencer. Once you reach out to the influencer, they're gonna go ahead and you're gonna negotiate a price. Once you negotiate a price, you give them the advertisement. And YouTube standards, I really don't have to give them an advertisement. You can, and kind of have like maybe like a 10-second B-roll if you kind of do like a long-term partnership with the YouTuber, and they could like put your ad in the beginning of their video with your call to action, or you can just siphon some of their traffic by asking them to put the link in their description, right? There's one. And the number two would be like Instagram. You would actually have an Instagram ad, and you're probably thinking, well, how do I create ads, right? This looks like an ad right here. It might not be, but it might be, right? So what you're gonna do is first we're gonna reach out to them, right? So you're gonna follow up. If you're on YouTube or Snapchat or Facebook, this guys all works out. Figure out how to get in contact with these people, and then you're gonna lead like this. Hello, my name is Eric, right? That's what blank is. Hello, my name is Eric. You lead with a compliment, right? And be specific with that compliment. Don't be like, oh, I like your channel, or I like your Instagram, or I like your Snapchat, or whatever, right? Act as if you're actually watching and paying attention, right? So with Katie, I might say, I like that you don't just talk about weight loss stuff, but you talk about like college and everything in the day in life and all that extra stuff, right? And you do dieting. I like that you're very personable with your audience. There's my compliment. Cool. Then you're gonna say, I see you have an audience around this, right? I was just wondering if you did any promos, number one. And then once you ask if they do paid promotions, you follow up with asking for promo prices. It's very simple, right? Now, once you ask for promo prices, you're simply going to reach out to multiple people. You're going to compare prices to engagement. Now, a lot of people do this completely wrong. They're going to compare prices. People say, how much should I pay? Guys, it's like this. If you wanted to know how much to pay for an iPhone, what are you going to do? You're going to simply go on Craigslist or go on Google and ask for prices, and then there's going to be a median price range. The middle price range is the best price, right? So you don't want to pay too much, you don't want to pay too little. But if you get little for high quality, great. Now what I'm going to do, an example, this person on average gets about maybe 2,000 to 3,000 likes, right? So an example is you're probably thinking, well, if somebody has 200,000 followers, right? I should obviously pay more money for this person who has 548,000 followers. Wrong. You do not want to pay for followers. You want to pay for engagement, because people who engage click on advertisement. People who click on advertisement are going to turn into dollars. So instead of comparing prices for the following, we're going to compare pricing based off of engagement. If on average they're getting about 3,000 likes, if somebody with 300,000 followers is getting 4,000 to 5,000 likes, I'll pay them more money because they have a better engaging audience, which is going to have a higher click-through rate, meaning more people are going to click on the link, more people are going to go to my sales funnel, and I'm going to make more money. Are you guys following how this works here? Great. So with that being said, you simply go ahead, and once you find people who have great prices for their engagement, you're then going to go ahead and negotiate, make sure the price makes sense for you, and then you're simply going to go to make a payment with PayPal. And then what you're going to do is you're going to supply the advert. Now you're probably thinking, I don't know how to create advertisement. Cool. Go to Fiverr.com, Instagram ads, or any type of ads. You simply just go to Fiverr, and for $5 freaking bucks, I don't know why these prices are so damn high, but oh, these are video types. Instagram ad. Instagram. So this person will design an Instagram ad for 10 bucks. Guys, you can get it for much cheaper. You can get them for as low as $5. But literally have somebody create an ad for you guys for as low as $5 to 10 bucks, right? This person has done 370 ads. Boom. You don't have to do the work. And guys, everything's automated. Look, let's go back here. Let's go back to this process. So we created the sales funnel. As stated before, first link in the description, or go to copypasteprofitfunnel.com. I did all the heavy lifting for you. I created the funnel. You just copy, paste, and you profit. It's that simple. So you're literally just going to copy and paste the copy from your actual offer, right? You're going to paste it in. That's created, right? Next is the email follow-up. Guys, the vendor should supply this on their affiliate pages. Next, the actual offer. We don't have to do that. Then the traffic. Okay, the traffic is supplied by the influencers, right? Now, guys, let's do the math. How much hours do you have to work to make a bunch of money with this process? Okay, it's going to take a little bit of time to set up the email follow-up that I did not write. I don't have to create this. I don't have to create the sales funnel. That'll probably take like 5 to 10 minutes if I use the copy paste profit funnel that's supplied below. And then the traffic, I literally negotiate with somebody. Maybe it takes me 30 minutes to reach out a couple of people. Cool. If I do this a couple of times per week, I literally work 1 to 2 hours per week, and if I scale this, I can make hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, on complete autopilot. Everything's done for me simply by leveraging this system and this process. And this is the fastest method. And I'm literally working a couple hours per week. Do you understand why this is better than a 9 to 5? Guys, traffic, done for me. Done for me. Done for me. Done for me. Guys, this beats clocking in and clocking out. This is the best freaking method online. And this is the fastest way to make money doing it with highly targeted traffic, congruent with your offer, so you can make a bunch of cash with Clickbank. Now, if you like that video, go ahead and punch that like button. Show your boys some love. And hit the subscribers button and hit that notifications bell. Join the family. Be the first to be notified. I'm actually going on a 30-day run, strictly Clickbank content within the next 30 days, because I've been getting so many responses of people who have been loving this content, getting results, making $5,000 to $10,000 per month simply from this free content. Guys, no course is free content, right? So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys. If you guys want access to those uploads, stay freaking tuned. I'm releasing all the best stuff that I have to you guys within these next 30 days. And make sure to grab access to that copy paste profit funnel by clicking the first link in the description or going to the copypasteprofitfunnel.com. I appreciate you guys. I'll be nothing without your support. And as always, I will see you tomorrow. Eric Ellis Jr. checking